If you have recently deleted any contacts on your iPhone and if you want to recover them, so in this video I will show you a few methods on how to do that. So let's get started. First of all, just open the Contacts app, then tap on the arrow button over here. Now after you arrive on this page, and if you have deleted your contact recently, you might see the option of bin, recycle bin or deleted contacts over here. Just tap on that option and over there you will find the contacts which you have deleted. And from there you can recover your contacts. And as you can see, the bin option is not available over here. Now for the second method, just go to your home screen and open the Safari web browser. Then in the search bar, just search this. After you search iCloud.com, then tap on sign in and sign into your Apple account. Tap on sign in. And from here you can use your Face ID or your passcode to sign into your Apple account. After you sign in, you will arrive on this page. From here, just tap on the dots on the screen, and from this menu, just select Data Recovery. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Restore Contacts. And from here, you will find the contacts which you have backed up to your iCloud. And as you can see, these are the days when you have backed up the data of the Contacts app to the iCloud. Now just restore the version which you have backed up before deleting the contact. So I will select this option. Then tap on Restore. And as you can see, after you do that, you will restore all your contacts from your iCloud to your iPhone. And as you can see, the contacts has been restored. Just like that. Now there is also another method to do that. For that, just go to Settings and tap on your Apple account. Now from here, just tap on iCloud. Then in front of Save to iCloud, just tap on See All. From here, just scroll down, and after you find the Contacts app, just disable this toggle and select Keep on My iPhone. Then wait for a few seconds and enable this toggle back on and select Merge. And by doing that, you will merge the contacts which you have saved in your iCloud to your iPhone. But if this toggle is already disabled, just enable it. And by doing that, you will merge the contacts of your iCloud with your iPhone. Now, if you have saved all your contacts in another email account, let's say if you have saved them in your Gmail account, then for that, just go back to the main settings page. And over here, just tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Mail app. Then tap on it. Tap on Mail Accounts. Then select the email account on which you have saved all your contacts. For example, I will select Gmail. And from here, just make sure you enable the toggle for contacts. And after you do that, you will sync the contacts which have been saved on your email account to your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can recover deleted contacts on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.